Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, wish na kay Papa Nick. Sige na.
Wish mo?
Wish, hindi pag-uipag.
Hello, Jing. Happy birthday sa'yo sa araw na ito. At hinihiling ko lang sa Diyos na lalo kang pagpalain, lalo kang maging successful sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo. At ang hinihiling ko sa Diyos na maging malusog ka palagi, magkaroon ka ng maraming project at maging channel of blessing ka sa lahat ng mga tao surround you. Lahat ng tao na nakapalibot sa iyo ay maging channel of blessing ka. Pagpalain ka lalo ng Diyos sa lahat ng mga negosyo mo at good health. Ingatan mo lagi sarili mo. Ayaw ko maiyak, pero salamat sa lahat ng mga itinulong mo sa amin, sa lahat ng mga binibigay mo. Sana pagpalain ka at bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay. Yan lang ang gusto ko sabihin. I love you and I miss you. Ingat ka palagi.
Birthday nung kanay kabay-bay, di ka na magmaoy. Kaya kasala kami kung diin kami maagi. Kung magmaoy ka, kabay pa nga. Tagaan ka sang mayo nga lawas. Kung hindi ka na magsigi ugtas kay Kevin. Happy birthday, Liwat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Nick. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Yeah, is that the funeral?
Emmanuel! Happy birthday, Tito Nick! Busy sa kaon na po siya.
Hi, Sir Nick. Good morning. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang maging successful ka pagid. Adwara naman tanan. Siguro ang
Tagi, nasunod naman ako ng speech. Taglo nga ba na? Taglo nga ba na ito?
Ikaw na muna, sige.
Payutan, nagsumpit ako. Sige, dali.
Happy birthday. You are a wonderful day. Thank you for being a good leader. Wishing you a year of success and happiness. Thank you for being a guidance, support, and inspiring leader. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Sir Nick.
Happy birthday, Sir Nick. We love you. From Makati Branch.
Happy birthday, Sir Nick. More birthdays to come from the new Cebu. Yay! Happy birthday, Sir Nick.
From Team Park.
Happy birthday, Sir Nick, from Epic Beauty Partners, Nature's Village Resort. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Sir Nick. From Kitchen Department. Yay!
Good day! In behalf of Chensang Enterprises Corporation, we would like to wish you a wonderful birthday to Mr. Nick Quirante. Your leadership, dedication, and vision have set the foundation for great success.
May your year ahead be as remarkable as your contribution to this organization.
May God continue to bless you and your family more power.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday and wishing you all the best and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, bless.
Okay na.
Happy birthday, Sir Nick. Keep safe always. God bless you from YLS Iloilo family.
Happy birthday, Sir Nick. Keep safe always and more blessings to come.
Hello Sir Nick Quirante. Happy birthday, sir. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Happy birthday, Sir Nick. God bless. Happy birthday, Sir Nick. We wish you good luck. beginning and a time to pursue new endeavors with new goals. May you have good health and prosperities in all areas of your life. Happy birthday, Sir Nick! From YLS Gaisano, Capital, Danao.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burning tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
At Maya 21 Move.